Hello everyone, I hope everyone is fine. Please stay safe, wash your hands frequently, and maintain social distance. And when you go out, please wear a mask. So, it's quite a while we were unable to post a video. Well, that's due to COVID restriction in our city. But now the situation is improving and it will get back to normal very soon. In the meantime, I hope you have been practicing Python and sharpening your coding skill. If you don't find enough example, please subscribe to our channel. We bring a new video every Saturday. So, coming back to today's practice session. In this session, we will study how to count the alphabets and digits in a sentence entered by the user. Well, this could be a lengthy program in C or C++. But in Python, boom, it's so simple. Python provides a ready function to write such programs. Today, we will use two functions, that is isAlpha and isDigit. Let's write a program to count the alphabet in a string in Python. So, first we will accept the user input in the variable st like this. Declare variables a and d with an initial value of 0. Now, we will write a for loop which will travel along the sentence, and ch variable will store each character in every iteration of the loop. Then write an if condition and check whether the character is an alphabet or not using the isAlpha function. If the result is true, we will increment the counter a. After the loop, print the variable a. Now run the code and enter the input as Python is like 1, 2, 3. Well, we got the count of alphabets. Let's extend this program to also count the digits. Write an else if section in the if statement and call the function isDigit on the character ch like this. If the condition is true, increment the variable d. After the loop, also print the variable d. Please write a proper message while displaying the result as in our code. Now run the code and again enter the input as Python is like 1, 2, 3. Well, we got the perfect output. Hope with every video you are learning something new. See you in the next session with an exciting example. Thanks.